Welcome to the Return Idler Basket Overview video. Workers must be protected from falling overhead return idlers. In Canada, the regulations dictate that return idlers over 8 feet from the ground or working surface must be contained to prevent injury. In the United States, that regulation changes to 7 feet. Belt Conveyor Guarding's return idler baskets are an economical solution for this situation. They are made from steel and powder-coated safety yellow for long-lasting durability. These 12-inch baskets are suspended by chain assemblies and spring-loaded snap links. Our baskets are easy to install and remove for routine maintenance. The baskets have large openings to prevent material buildup, but will safely contain an idler should it come loose or fall. The chains are shipped fully assembled, complete with beam clamps for securing to the conveyor frame. Beam clamps speed up the installation process and eliminate the need for welding or drilling. As you can see here, 24-inch baskets are used for training idler applications. Most standard size baskets are stocked for a quick turnaround. Custom sizes are also available upon request. For applications where chain assemblies are not ideal, our rigid mount brackets may be preferred. Simply align the center notch on the rigid bracket with the center line of the idler, then bolt the brackets to the conveyor frame. The rigid brackets are fully adjustable to ensure a proper fit to your specific idler size. Please note that some drilling will be required for this style. We also have standard idler basket designs for V-return idler applications. Always remember, stay away, stay safe.